Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Wildwood County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 8 miles southeast of Brodhead, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Orfordville, Footville, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Newark, Tiffany, Hanover, Avalon, Afton, Chaupier, Avon, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Leiden, and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee